Have you ever looked at a car battery and seen a jumble of letters and numbers like CCA and Ah and wondered what they actually mean? These aren't just arbitrary figures, they're critical indicators of your battery's performance and suitability for your vehicle. Understanding them is key to making an informed decision when buying a new battery and ensuring your car starts reliably every time. Today, we're diving deep into the world of car battery ratings, specifically deciphering cold cranking amps, or CCA, and Ampere-hour, commonly abbreviated as Ah. We'll explore what each rating signifies, how they impact your vehicle's performance, and why both are crucial, though for different aspects of your car's electrical system. Let's start with cold cranking amps, or CCA. This rating tells you a very specific and vital piece of information: how much current a battery can deliver for 30 seconds at 0 degrees Fahrenheit, or minus 18 degrees Celsius, while maintaining a voltage of at least 7.2 volts. It's a direct measure of the battery's ability to start your engine in cold weather. Think of CCA as the battery's brute strength. When you turn the key or push the start button, especially on a chilly morning, your starter motor needs a huge surge of power to turn over the cold engine and get it running. The thicker oil and denser air in cold conditions make this initial crank much harder. A higher CCA rating means the battery can provide more of that essential starting power in adverse conditions. If you live in a region with harsh winters, a battery with a robust CCA rating is absolutely paramount. Skimping on CCA can lead to frustrating no-starts when the temperature drops. Now let's shift our focus to Ampere-hour, or Ah. Unlike CCA, which is about a sudden burst of power, Ah measures the battery's total energy storage capacity. It tells you how much current a battery can supply over a period of time before it's fully discharged. Specifically, an Ampere-hour rating indicates that the battery can deliver 1 amp for 1 hour, or half an amp for 2 hours, and so on. So, a 60Ah battery, for example, theoretically could supply 60 amps for 1 hour, or 1 amp for 60 hours, before being completely depleted. This rating is more about endurance and sustained power. Ah is critical for powering your vehicle's accessories, lights, infotainment system, and all the various electronic components when the engine is off, or even when it's running but not actively being started. Modern cars are packed with electronics that draw power, and a good Ah rating ensures these systems have sufficient energy. So, we have CCA for starting power in the cold, and Ah for overall energy storage and sustained power. They are distinct metrics designed to describe different facets of battery performance. One isn't necessarily better than the other. They serve different but equally important functions within your vehicle's electrical ecosystem. When should CCA be your primary concern? Definitely if you drive in cold climates or have a vehicle with a large engine, like a V8 or a diesel. These engines require significantly more power to turn over, especially when the engine oil is thick and cold. Matching or exceeding your vehicle manufacturer's recommended CCA is vital. Conversely, Ah becomes more critical if you frequently use your vehicle's accessories with the engine off, like listening to the radio, charging devices, or running interior lights. For vehicles with extensive electronic systems, or for applications like RVs or marine use where batteries power multiple appliances for extended periods, a higher Ah capacity is extremely beneficial. Many modern vehicles, particularly those with start-stop technology, sophisticated infotainment systems, and numerous electronic control units, demand a delicate balance of both high CCA for reliable starting and ample Ah for sustained power delivery to all onboard systems. These cars often come with EFB or AGM batteries designed to handle higher electrical loads and frequent engine restarts. It's also worth noting other ratings that sometimes appear alongside CCA and Ah. Reserve capacity, or RC, is another important one, indicating how long a fully charged battery can continuously supply 25 amps at 80 degrees Fahrenheit before its voltage drops below 10.5 volts. It's essentially a measure of how long your car can run on just battery power if your alternator fails. Ultimately, choosing the right battery means understanding your vehicle's specific needs and your driving habits. Always consult your car's owner's manual for recommended CCA and Ah ratings. Generally, it's wise to match or slightly exceed the manufacturer's CCA recommendations, and ensure the Ah capacity is adequate for your electrical demands. Remember, a battery's health significantly impacts both its CCA and Ah performance. Over time, batteries degrade, their internal resistance increases, and their ability to deliver sustained current or powerful cold cranks diminishes. Regular battery testing can help you monitor its condition and avoid unexpected failures. In conclusion, CCA and Ah are not just acronyms, they are fundamental indicators of your car battery's capability. CCA ensures you can reliably start your engine, especially in cold conditions, while Ah dictates the battery's overall energy storage and ability to power your vehicle's electronics. Understanding both empowers you to choose the right battery, ensuring optimal performance and peace of mind on every journey.